this last year sa Fearless. Doon talaga naranasan ko yung presensya ni God. I see the CYN worshiping. Pinakita talaga sa akin ni Lord na pagmamahal niya sa atin, talaga nagpapatawad. Meron talagang Diyos na nagpapatawad dyan, na ready talaga magpatawad.
The best moment of the summit was Pastor J pray each and every one of us and said that it doesn't matter how many times you fall because there is always God.
Session of forgiveness. Time para mag-sorry sa isa't isa. It was really an emotional moment.
There was a moment na talaga everyone was just feeling the presence of the Lord. There was silence and nandun lang yung patira ng Panginoon sa kalagitnaan. Talaga, it was so amazing. Everyone was embracing that amazing